Hello. So let's design our navbar. Sorry, the header for the table. So I think for this one I need group focus. So once clicked, so that I can show how many tables we have in this workspace. So I can't. So now I was thinking if I do use reusable here, but the problem is I can't use reusable because I need to fetch data from the URL parameter. So that means having said that, that means like I need this need to implement at the page level only, and so I'll simply say group focus. I'll drag it on the page and I'll name this group focus is table, actual tables, so that it will display tables only. And I think I would need it to be 200. I need it smaller. I don't want it big because I think the size of this one is not 200. Probably let's say 160. Yeah, I am having 160 and height. I think I'm happy with 120, and I'll reference this element. This is going to be icon. I think this one. Now let's see. I'll search this one is group. So our grouping is a little wayward right now. Let's see. First up, we are in the wrong page. We are in the. Let's just cut this and go to my home page. This is where we are adding this. I'm going to paste it. Now I'll search it. That is icon. I think this one is this. Yeah, this icon. Yeah, this icon. And I also label it as icon caret down. That is for tables. Drop down. Okay. Yeah. So I'll label it like this, and I'll go to group focus. I'll see it has 8 roundness. That's what I need for shadow. I think now I'll finish it. This icon table drop down, yeah, like this. And I think I want the top is only like this. And one thing I forgot to tell you guys that I've changed the layout a little bit. I made search input the very first tab, and then grocery, and then probably I'll add it features here. It's looking kind of nice here, so I thought let's keep the search tab here on the very left. So I just changed it now. This now building to the tables, and so what we are going to do now, we are going to use a repeating group, and that repeating group is going to be tables drop down, so that I can say, and that is going to be table, and we are going to get we're going to do a search in table and workspace equal actually workspace. We'll do a search for workspace first, workspace, and then we'll slug equals to get data from page URL as this, and that it is item number 3. That's the workspace will get, and that's the first item. So we'll have the workspace with us now. First items, I think that's it. Each items writing unique ID. No. I think let's keep this as text. And then I think I would need first, not first, each items unique ID. Yep, that's it. And I would name it table, or probably say I want this to be table each items slug. No, actually I want each item's workspace. hmm First of all, I think I redesign this, and this is going to be this. And I think I'm more 20. And I want to retrieve the data. I think I think it's going to be workspace. Let's say workspace get data from page URL list workspace equal to item number 3. Actually, let's convert this into a line into parent group. Now I'll first say workspace, and now I'll say get data from page URL, that is path segment as list item number 3. Now I have slugs actual text. I'll say this is text item 3. Now I have the workspace slug, and now I'll search through this table, and I'll say do a search table workspace equals to parent group text first item. I'll search it in the workspace only, and I'll say that in workspace slug contains parent group text. That's how it is. Slug, yeah, slug contains parent group text. That's first item. That is work. That's now I'll just this one. That's it. Yep, that's it. That's done. And now I'll say text element inside this repeating group. I need to, yeah, here we need to have this here. Let's delete this one. I'll again go to text. Put here. Where the hell it is? Yep. So text here, then I'll drag it inside the repeating group, and I'll say current cell tables table name. That's it. And I think I'll add some padding. Probably say 8 from the left, 8 from the right, from 4 from the top, and 4 from the bottom. And say then this text is Howard, background style equal to flat color, background color equal to gray 30. That's what I like. That's it. I think now we have everything. So we are popping this group focus for tables. Now we are getting data, and then that's it. Smart sheet. Hopefully will be able to. I think added a workflow. Yeah, and this clicked. Show an element. That is going to be group focus. That's this one. I think that's it. Yeah, this one. It's not showing. Still not showing. That's strange. Aha, it's group focus tables. It's so absurd. Now it will show and grocery expense and inventory. That is what we have. I think I got a call, so let me just. Hi. So I was uh, building this drop because it's on the right of this carrot downs icon. So let me just go through this one tab, and I'll say personal, I'll say expenses, and then I'll see. Okay, this has three database, but I think I want this to. So let's work it out and say it should be. I think where is it currently? Let's hide it and let's work. Yep. So I would say this one and offset top is okay, but offset left I would say let's say minus 50 or say minus 60 so that it always I think let's say minus 80 or minus 100. Yeah, minus 100 is fine with me. And for the height I think I'll keep it like 80 so that it will be according to the group's available list, whatever there is, like this one. Actually not so let's say 820 is I would say 80, but let's say here it's 40, and then I'll say if I write to content, the content, and then I'll say this one. Yeah, now it's fine. And let's say I want the offset should be 8. So there's little spacing, probably I think 8 is fine. Let's keep 6, and for this one I would say I need I think I was using padding 8 and 8, right? And then this text is however 30. Okay, that's it. I think this slight issue here. I think instead of padding, I should use the margins. That is 8, right? 8 and 4 and 4, and let's change it to 0, 0, 0, and 0. Let's take a look now. Yep, now it's fine, and I need padding also. That's great. That's good to know. expect the unexpected, and here it is. Yeah, it's looking nice now, and I think I can remove margins. Say pairing from top and bottom, and I think I need roundnets of 8. That's I think I should need. Yeah. Okay. Not sleep absurd. Pairing 4 and then 4. So these small things takes time. This one, and I think I need it from top, and I think I need it from top like two. Let's keep it 2 and 2 so that it won't look really weird. Actually, I am not happy with this setup. I think I need to change it. Let's keep it 4 4 4 now. Let's let's go ahead and we'll circle back to this and we'll see what we need to do. So far, it's fine. It's looking okay, but these margins and pairing, I'm not happy with it at the moment because we're manually changing it. I think there should be a way where we can handle this, and so this is looking nice now. If I go to expense, it should changes. Probably we'll add the workflow also. Let's say if this text is getting clicked, then I would say go to page, destination is going to home, data, I think its tab is going to table. That's what it is, right? So we are going to say table, and then we are going to arbitrary text, and I would say workspace. And for this workspace, I get sorry, I forgot to add forward slash. Add forward slash. Actually, this one. Yeah, forward slash, and then I say get data from page URL, path segment as list, item number 3, actually item number 2, item number 3, that's there, that's the same workspace, and I'll add forward slash add table, and I'll simply add current cell tables slug so that it will always be this one, down selected, and I think I forgot to add forward slash again. Yep. So I think the workflow is being added. Let's see if we are able to change the table. If, so we go to grocery. Yes, we go to grocery. We go to expenses. We go to inventory. So we are able to change the table now, and similarly, all the if you see the URL, it's also getting changed. That's it. That's what we are looking for. So we have done this header. I think I'm not happy with the button, but let's see. We'll try to let's move forward. Time is an issue. I think let's keep this for now, and probably we'll change it later. Or maybe if you guys have suggestion, do message. I'll definitely try to enhance it. Thank you. So let's create another. I would say reusable. Simple. What I'll do now, I'll create a reusable element for filter, because filter must be there. So can I copy from anywhere? I don't think so, but let's copy from this sticky note, at least just so that we get actually. So this width, I don't need this much, just this, and then I do not need icon actually I need a button. So I'll search for button and I'll drag it here, button, and I would need icon and label both. And I would say this label going to be filter. I'll simply use funnel, this one. Uh, that's standard filter. Now I'll detach this style because I want this styling for buttons everywhere. So I want this button to look, go with our color theme. So color theme is light. I think this one, right? Primary 10, I think, or primary 20. I think little darker, which can enhance. And I think I'll choose not second, secondary 20. And for color, I think I'll choose the black color as text. And for the layout, it should be height should be 40, and layout should be, I think, let's say 100. I think I'll remove this padding for now. I want to see how button looks. And spacing, I want this to look a bit closer. Yeah, probably a bit more. I think, yep, 4 is fine. And I don't think so I need anything else. So this is fine. And 40, I think I'll go to 36. I think and then I need roundness. I would say 8. I think 8 is fine. And I'll delete the sticky note. And for this, I'll change this to button filter. And whenever this button filter gets clicked, I'll try to show an element that is going to be group focus table here, because name is group focus table. I'll change the group focus. Actually, it is a group focus filter for now, and there is no data, there is no content, and I'll just remove this one. I think it's looking fine, and we'll show this one. Well, and I think again I'll choose -100, this one, or probably -80. And for card design, I think I'll design it later, but at the moment it's multi-line input, so I think I'll not show this one. Instead, what I'll do, I'll create a group and add it here. This is here, and I'll name it group main for filter. Yep, and stretch it, and that's it. So far I'll keep this as blank and later decide what designs I want to keep it and what designs I want to hide it. So that's it for now. Yep, I definitely want to give some styling, and I will say that just for nav, that's for the table header, right? So that I can remember uh, table headers. Yep. And I'll simply go to the home page. I'll again and then the table tab. I'll select this table tab. I'll simply go to this group headers table, and then I'll find filter, and I simply drop it here. I'll I don't want any data source on this filter, but I want to make sure that fit height to width and keep it center, and see the color is matching with our. Yep, I think it's looking nice, and it is while hovering, I think it's showing a little darker shade. So I'm happy with it at the moment, but I'll change this color. I don't like this color. I like something this one, so probably we'll add a little darker shade, and probably we'll go to the filter tab Here, filter usable element and edit style, and white hover. I'll choose this one a little darker, 30, secondary 30, and save it. Yep, this one is looking much fine, and probably if I choose second, I think it'll be look much. It'll look same as is. Yeah, so I'll choose 30, and appearance. I think I'm happy with 500 medium. That's what I like actually. 600 is a bit dark, a bit bold. Yeah, that's it. That's look much clean, much sharp also. That's okay. Yeah, I think that's it. Probably this is a different shade, and this is a different. So we have one tab. I think another tab. What tab will need next? So filtered will need definitely. We do need to hide elements. Uh, Elements. If I say elements, where we can hide some columns, some headers. So I do I'll need those. So what I'll do, I'll go to web usable. I'll try to say hide hide columns, and I'll copy this from filter and create it. That's it. And this for this one, hide and column layout. This is going to be 20. I don't want it to stretch, and then for button, I'll simply use hide columns, and it is with to content. So I think it should be. Let's, let's keep it group focus only at the moment, because there would be no other group focus. I'll go to home page and go to headers. This one. Let's show this one. Sorry, not the this one. Let's hide this one. Let's show this one, and pull the what I was saying, that is for hide columns, and just keep it there, and that is fit with the content, and I'll say that should be in the middle. I think that's it. Yep, but it's touching the border, which I don't like. So I think I did not change the column. I would say let's hide instead. Do not use. I don't want to use anything. Let's hide. Simple. Use hide, and phosphor hide. Uh, hide. I think these are going to hide the columns. So, is there a way where we can? Yeah, this is plus or minus, but can we say deduct or something? Minus. I think I like this one. That's let's say hide. Yep, I like this one. And see on the sheet. Yep, I think I'm happy with it, and it's there. So we'll show and this one. Actually, this should show at the group click rather than the icon. So we have two headers ready sheet, and I think we'll decide. I'll take a moment to decide what all features I want to add. And so if you see, like, if you are creating this, you can also customize the way you want to. It's only up to you what you choose. So I'll keep it open, and So so right now, what I'm trying to focus on, it's what majorly we need to do. Uh, we need to keep features where we use more and more in our sheet. So I think for customization, it depends on the your use case also, what kind of company you are in, or what kind of usage you have. So according to that, you can use it. So for me, I'll think of it and probably decide. Okay. See you soon. Thank you.